Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to connect Wi-Fi on Poco phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here firstly, this mobile phone is disconnect with the Wi-Fi. I mean the Wi-Fi doesn't has, okay, did not connect. Okay, so if you want to connect the Wi-Fi, then what you need to do is that just move on setting. After you have been moved on setting, you need the another device also, okay, the mobile phone which has been connected. Okay, if you want to connect through QR code, then only you need another device which has been connected with Wi-Fi, okay, with the net. And if you want to connect through password, then it's okay, you can connect through without any device through password. Just move on Wi-Fi. After you have been moved on Wi-Fi, this is the available networks. Just click on here available networks, and the available networks will be from here. You will be able to find C Geo 2, 5G Fiber 2, Geo Fiber 1, the link 9B7M, Minsim 5G. So from here you can select. Suppose I want to select the Geo Fiber one. Okay, so I select this one. If you want to connect through password, then type the password and connect. Click on the connect, and here it will connect it successfully. If you don't know the password, you want to connect through QR code, then what you need to do is that from here you have to click on the back button. Okay, no need to click on the back button. When you move on Wi-Fi, you can see here's the scanner. Just click on the scanner. When you click on the scanner, you have to move on another device, this device which has been connected with Wi-Fi. Okay, just click on this setting. After you have been moved on the setting, then you have to click on the Wi-Fi. After you have been moved on Wi-Fi, you can see this is the connected device. Okay, so just click on the connected. After you have been click on the connected, you just scroll on the down, and here you can see the QR code. Okay, from here you have to search for the QR code. Here you will be able to see tap to share option or the QR code. So this is the share option. I click on the share option. From here I just scan it. Okay, see friends, right now it has been connected. You can connect it like this. Okay, see, tap to share password. It means if you want to connect through another device, just click on tap to share password, and this Wi-Fi will be connect successfully. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you loved the video, please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.